today we have a new hello, adventure. Adventure, doing something unusual and exciting. Adventure means doing something unusual and exciting. Let's start our lesson today with some new words. We have our lesson today is talking about sports and the kinds of the sports. The first one is water sports and the second one is mountain sports. We have water sports or like diving, windsurfing, kayaking. Diving, windsurfing, kayaking. Number 2, mountain sports, rock climbing, mountain biking, and trekking. Again, we have water sports like diving, windsurfing, kayaking. Kayaking means traveling on a narrow boat. Number 2, mountain sports like rock climbing, mountain biking, and trekking. Trekking means walking for a long distance. And let's go into the second stage. And this is the grammar. Today's grammar is talking about the future and how to express the future using going to. The first one is the form. We will talk about the form. The form of going to expressing the future is am, is are, plus going to plus infinitive. Again, am is are plus going to plus infinitive. Number 2, the usage. We use going to expressing the future. The first one is plans or intentions. Plans or intentions. When I have a plan or an intention, I use going to. He's going to spend a week in Aswan. He is going to spend a week in Aswan. This is my intention or this is my plan. Number 2, prediction with evidence. When I have an evidence to something or for something, I use going to expressing the future. Look at those dark clouds, it's going to rain. Or look at the sky, it's going to rain. It's cloudy, it's going to rain. Number 3, actions which are about to happen. We have some expressions that express this thing, like watch out, look, listen. And the sentence we use watch out, your car is going to crash. Again, watch out, your car is going to crash. And the negative form of going to we use am is are plus not plus going to plus infinitive. Am is are, not going to plus infinitive. Like in this way, in this sentence, he's going to spend a week in Aswan. We can say he isn't or he is not going to spend a week in Aswan. And in this one, watch out, your car is going to crash. We can say my car isn't going to crash. Let's practice. Read and correct the underlined words. The first one, I don't going to travel this week. I don't go to travel this week. In this sentence, we can't use the negative. We can't use don't in this sentence because it's not the negative of going. I can't say I don't go. I can't say I don't going to travel this week. So it would be I am not going. I am not going to travel this week. Number 2, he's going to sleep in a tent. We said before that going to plus infinitive, so it will be sleep. Number 3, we will go trekking. It's our intention. Use here it's our intention, so we will use going to. But we will go trekking. We can't say it. We can say we are going to go trekking. So the answer will be we are going to. Because the one here is under will. Number 4, rock climbing looks scary. Rock climbing is a singular noun, so it would be looks. Looks is scary. Number 5, it's a question. Is she go kayaking? We have here is, so is followed by verb plus ing, so it would be is she going to? Is she going? Is she going to? Okay, the next one, Lisa made the trekking last year. We said before that the sports that ends in ing, we use go with them. We use go with the sports that end in ing. So Lisa made a drinking last year. It's in the past simple, so we will use went. The next one, where you going? Where you going to visit your grandmother? When you're going to visit your grandmother, it's not correct, so we will use are you going to visit your grandmother? And the last one, her birthday is on the 10th from March. It's not correct, so the answer it will be off. Okay, and here's some new words of lesson 3. The first one is protect. Protect to look after. To look after or to keep something safe. Again, to look after something or to keep something safe. Number 2, railway line. Railway line is a metal that a train travels on. Railway line is a metal that a train travels on. The next one is postcard. Postcard is a card, often with a picture on one side, which you can write on it and send to anyone, like in the wedding or in the party. Presentation. A presentation is introducing a topic or a speech to the audience. Presentation is a noun and it means introducing a topic or a speech to the audience. And the next one is terrible. Terrible is an adjective, a very serious or unpleasant experience. Terrible, again, is a very serious or unpleasant experience. And the last one is excited and it's adjective. When you are so happy or thinking about something pleasant. Excited, again, when you are so happy or thinking about something pleasant. Okay, now we have new structure. We have subjunctive pronoun and reflexive pronouns. We use reflexive pronouns for emphasis, to emphasize something. This is the subject or the pronoun, the subjunctive pronoun. I, he, she, it, you, we, they. And all of them have a reflexive pronoun like I, myself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, you for the singular yourself, and for the plural yourselves. We, ourselves, and they, themselves. For example, I do my homework myself, he does his homework himself, she does her homework herself. We do homework ourselves. Okay? Let's breath. Read and correct the underlined word. She saw itself in the mirror. It's not correct because it's not the correct reflexive pronoun. She saw itself in the mirror. So what's the reflexive pronoun of she? It would be herself. She saw herself in the mirror. Herself. Number 2, spend a few minutes preparing themselves for exercise. Spend a few minutes preparing themselves for exercise. Here I talk to you. You are in front of me. So I use spend a few minutes preparing. I talk to you, so it would be yourself or yourselves. If I talk to one person, I will use yourself. Or if I talk to a group of people, I use yourselves. Yourselves. The next one, taught himself to speak German. Here is the subjunctive pronoun is I, so it would be I, yes, myself. And the last one, Clara polished the shoes ourselves. Here's the subject. The subject is Clara, and Clara is a girl, so we will use herself. Okay, and this is all about our lesson today. Thank you.